This clip will show you how to install Pyrusium onto your workstation. Pyrusium is essentially a web browser which is restricted to display the Blackpear apps you are licensed to use. Please ensure your practice has been licensed prior to running the installer. To install, browse to www.pyrusium.com/downloads/pyrusiumbundle.exe. Choose to run the installer. On the installer welcome screen, tick to accept the license terms and conditions, and then click the Next button. Within the web portal screen, enter your license code. This is your practice ODS code. Now click the Next button. Within the clinical systems screen, select your system type: EMIS Web, Vision 360 or TPP System 1. For EMIS practices, you will be prompted to enter an organisation code. This is your EMIS CDB number. For TPP System 1 practices, you will be prompted to enter an API key. Please leave this blank. Now click the Install button. Once setup has finished, click the Close button. Pyrusium will be located on your Start menu and should be opened after you have first opened your clinical system. On first entry, EMIS practices may see a pop-up message to activate the partner product. This requires any valid EMIS username and API password.